Hi everyone, so I have another craft with me video, and today's project is tags again. I love making tags, so you probably might get fed up with me with my tags, but I do love making them because it's what we put in our journals, and we put a lot of them in there. So, well, I do anyway. So these are made from various embossed papers, kind of pastel colours. I've done some blue, but I didn't actually use it because it doesn't really go with the journal that these are going to go into. Not sure if I'm putting all of them into the journal that I'm making, but anyway, some collaged digital paper. All the images here are from Ruby and Pearl, and you can find and these, most of the images, not the images, the collage papers from ARTYmaze, so go check that out. The labels, the butterflies are all from ARTYmaze, and the little labels are ARTYmaze, and all the little these little label things, they're from the old design shop. So excuse me, so stay tuned and watch me make these. So here is some of the stuff that I've pulled out to have a little play making these tags. I'm doing a voiceover here, so I'll just speak when I feel that I need to. So I'm using some cardstock, and then I'm just inking up around like the images and then sticking them down, and then that's how I'm getting like the width of my tag or tags. So I made these, but I made these ones this morning, earlier on today, and that's when I decided, oh, I should do a video on these. So I'm just punching a hole in all of them, and then I'm going to go and do some stitching all the way around as well. After I used white cotton to do the stitching, I kind of wish I'd have done a darker colour, maybe not black, but maybe something just a little bit darker than white. And I've just got some eyelets, so I'm just going to pop the eyelets in there, and they come out really nice. I got them from Temu or somewhere, but they didn't split at the back, which is really unusual. Anyway, here I've got a selection of butterflies, you know me, I love my butterflies. And then just some little bits out of my tub of, my go-to tubs of labels and tickets and things like that. Number labels. The butterflies are from ARTYmaze. I think I mentioned that at the beginning. This little oval is from ARTYmaze. I can't remember what kit that's from. And then we've got these little number labels. They are from the old design shop. You can find a list of designers below in the description box. We can go over to their Etsy's and have a little look. So I just carry on doing this with the tags. So here I've just cut up some little mesh bling bits to put onto the butterfly, and that glue's really good. It's like an extra tacky, what's it called, super tacky glue. So I used that. You just got to leave it for a little bit. It doesn't dry as fast as, say, Fabri-Tac or whatever, but I was not fussed about that. So then we've just gone we've just gone, we haven't gone anywhere. I'm just putting on some fabric through the eyelets just to decorate the tops of the tags. So that's me nearly done then. So if you like this video, it'd be great if you give me a like the video, comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and thank you for watching.